So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gear in Fusion 360. So first you're going to need to create a sketch, draw a circle and make that the size that you need. Then draw a triangle shape for your tooth at the top of the circle and delete the base of the triangle. Then select all of the triangle teeth and press the circular pattern. Then select the circle for the circular point. Then put in the amount of teeth that you need for your gear. Then delete all of the baselines of each teeth in the circle. Then draw a circle in the middle of this gear. After that, extrude the profile to the height that you need. So that's how you make the gear. However, you can improve this by using the same tool by selecting the top face and selecting sketch. Then draw a circle, then a smaller circle inside of that. Then draw two lines coming from the middle of the gear. Then select that shape and press circular pattern again. You don't have to change the number this time because it's defaulted to 3, so just press OK. Then extrude all 3 profiles through the gear. Then extrude the other section down by 1mm at the top of the gear. Finally, draw the same 2 circles on the bottom of the gear, then extrude them too by 1mm. Thank you for watching the video. If this helped or you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new or want to see more videos like this one.